Hello Virgo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for Virgo, July 11 to July the 13th, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo po na dalawang reading sa akin, meron po tayong isang reading dun sa ating kabilang channel, no? That is Babaylan TV. Na yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So, Virgo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. No? So simulan na natin. Virgo, parang inaantay mo yung pagbabago nitong person na ito, no? Parang inaantay mo na either humingi siya ng apology, whether it is verbal or at least gawin niya, no? Yung gusto mong ipagawa sa kanya, let's say, i-stop na itong pakikipag-usap niya dahil secretly, no? Sa ibang tao, no? Baka masyado siyang friendly, nako, friendly, no? So parang sinasabi mo, baka namang pwede namang iwas-iwasan ng pagiging friendly, no? Okay maging pala kaibigan, pero parang hindi sa akin okay yung nakikita ko, no? Hindi natin siya pinipigilang makipagkaibigan. There's a difference between having friends or having this flirty connection with someone, no? So I think nandun tayo. For a few numbers of you, it felt like paulit-ulit itong nangyayari, no? Parang paulit-ulit itong ginagawa. Oo, sabihin na natin nakaka-receive tayo ng message sa kanya, no? Sinasabi niya hindi to totoo. Pero you're not buying, no? You feel like those words are gasgas, hindi mo pagkakatiwalaan, no? There's really something fishy about here. With the decay, you can really smell it, no? You feel like there's something really going on beyond the words na sinasabi niya. Hindi sa nagpapakapraning ka or praning ka, it's obvious, no? Kahit ano pa yung sabihin ni person, it's actually obvious. With the Knave of Cups, the Justice, the Nine of Coins, it kind of make me feel itong happiness mo, no? Parang nababawasan. The time, the energy, nababawasan. Even though, sabihin natin, there's still, you know, there are, sabihin natin, mga traditions, no? Every 6 o'clock, kunyari, tumatawag siya, no? Every ganito, meron kayong conversations, no? It's still happening, although it's fluctuating already, no? Minsan hindi na, minsan merong mga excuses, no? I feel like you are also seeing that this person often may mga excuses and with friends. So, pwede natin sabihin na yung jealousy, no, actually arises with the Temperance and the Ten of Cups. So, ang nakikita ko dito, somehow, as much as possible, ayaw mong sirain yung relasyon because of selos. Pero, kinikimkim mo, no, yung selos na ito. Kinikimkim mo kasi parang, instead baka mamaya mapasama pa ako pag ako yung, minention ko ito. Kapag sinabi ko, baka mamaya ako pa lumabas na sumisira sa relasyon. Pero deep inside, nanggigigil na ako, no? Ang hirap kasi ang nakikita ko dito parang nagiging kalaban mo yung sarili mo, to be honest. Knave of Cups is clarified by the Ten of Coins and the Four of Wands. So, even sometimes yung mga dreams, conversations, no, about futures, parang napapansin mo hindi na rin ito masyadong napag-uusapan. For a few numbers of you yung itong nagsasama na sa bahay, napapansin mo kulang na rin yung binibigay, no? Pwedeng palaging overtime, pero pagdating ng sahod, wala naman dagdag, no? Laging may sinasabi maraming bayarin, may mga utang, nawawala na rin itong offers of gifts, no? It could be through literal form na totoong regalo or a regalo of time, energy, effort, sabi nga natin. With the Temperance clarified by the Queen of Coins and the Three of Cups, minsan, ang nangyayari dito tayo na ang nagsho-shoulder. Wala namang masama kung give and take itong relationship na ito. Kasi yun naman talaga, di ba? You're a team, you are, kumbaga, nakasakay dito sa journey na ito, dalawa kayo. So, sometimes, it's okay, no, to share, di ba, expenses with your person. Pero lately, parang napapansin mo, literal, sandali, bakit parang ako ang nagsho-shoulder? Parang, medyo gusto kong i-call out, no? Parang gusto kong sitahin. Kaso na, ayoko namang masaktan yung ego niya, ayoko rin makasabihin niya, meron akong perception na ginagamit ako, no? With the Adore, ang nakikita ko dito parang this is the situation of dumadating tayo sa medyo we're faking our feelings, no? So let's get some more cards here while I am shuffling, no? Virgo, gusto ko lang humingi ng konting tulong ba sa inyo kasi merong gumagamit, no, ng aking mga videos, halos similar yung ginagamit din niyang names. Ang nakaka-alarm dito is this person is this account is messaging people, no, asking for money. So, actually this is prohibited by law. It's already intellectual property, identity theft, kasi meron akong video na may mukha, yun din, meron siyang post na gano'n. Of course, magkaiba lang yung name na ginagamit niya for transactions. I have the information, so I'm taking actions on it as well, pero much is better na hingi ako ng tulong na paki-report. Nandun po siya sa description box. Yun po yung unang-una na nakalagay doon sa description box to please report the account. Nandun po yung link, no? Tulong na rin sa akin at tulong na rin po doon sa mga future. Baka isa kayo sa pwedeng mabiktima, no? At least, let's stop this person from doing. Kasi kung totoo naman yung na-reader siya, di ba? Do your thing. No, hindi mo kailangan kumuha ng property ng iba or videos ng iba. So which means hindi ka sure sa reading mo. But kukunin mo yung readings ng iba, yung post ng iba, there is something fishy about that, no? Kasi marunong ka ba talaga? Or are you just using the person's, account or videos just to alam mo na, for hocus pocus. But anyway, humingi po ako sa inyo ng tulong, paki-report po, nandun po sa description box. Going back to your reading, with the Adore, the Six of Coins, and the High Priestess, alam mo, ang bait-bait mo, Virgo. The mere fact na hindi mo, ayaw mong palakihin, kaso ang sakit sa dibdib, no? Ayaw mong palakihin yung issue, ayaw mong palakihin yung mga problema. That's actually okay. Wala tayong problema doon dahil inaalagaan mo yung connection. You're balancing things, you're balancing everything with a high priestess. Sometimes you're even making excuses to yourself, di ba? Na sinasabi mo, ay, baka naman ganito, ganyan, kaya um, baka birthday ni ganito, kaya kasama niya yung friends. Ikaw na mismo gumagawa ng reason, no? Ay baka may sakit siya nung time na yun, kaya hindi naman ako na be-message, no? Yung ganyan. Ay baka nga may utang siyang ganyan, no? You are already making excuses to make the other person better. At least kahit sa sarili mo. Ito yung sinasabi nating masakit na hindi na hinihingi ni person yung explanation. Ikaw na nag-explain or nag-excuse para sa sarili mo. And sometimes, with our assumptions, there may be things that, na tayo din gumagawa ng ikakasakit natin, no? You are, kasi with the Six of Coins, dapat balance to. Kaso, dapat ito hinihingi from the other person. Kasi with the Six of Coins in here, sometimes binibigay mo na sa sarili mo, no? Just to make yourself feel better, no? With the Five of Cups, oh wow. So, nakakakita ko dito ng medyo meron na tayong regret. Why are we in this situation? Regret, why are we feeling, no? This way, one thing's for sure, Virgo, you might not feel very satisfied as of the moment. With the Eight of Swords and a Knave of Swords, hindi rin tayo makapag-share, no? Sa either parents natin, friends natin, kasi we're protecting the image and reputation, no, of our person. So everything is kept inside, no, trapped inside. With the Four of Cups and the Tower, you are the kind of person you don't want to overthink. Pero kasi parang sinusundot na ng isip mo na baka merong iba, no? With the Four of Cups in here, ayaw mong actually, you are denying that there's an issue with the connection. Sometimes you're even fooling yourself, no? There's no way for me to sugarcoat that idea na merong issue. Pero meron talaga. With the Tower in here, clarified by the Five of Coins and the Five of Swords. Did I just, yeah, there's angel number 555 in here, hindi po sardinas, no? I'm not a numerologist. You may want to check angel number 555 meaning. So, ayokong magaling sa part na yan. Hindi ako magaling sa numbers, but I know that there is a meaning of angel number 555. You can comment it down para makatulong na rin dun sa mga first time naririnig itong mga synchronicities, no? So there's 555 angel number. Comment down kung anong meaning nun. But I believe that this is more of pushing you to make a decision, either to stand your ground, no? I think kailangan nating maghigpit ng kaunti, no? I can feel that medyo naaabuso ang ating kabaitan, Virgo. Tingnan natin whether this is your feelings or your person's feelings, no? Let's check. Time will tell. So, I think that this is self-explanatory. Antayin na lang natin, no? Parang antayin na lang natin iumpog ka at magising ka. Ganun ba yon? Or kailangan na, no? Kasi I think if you are actually looking for a sign, this might be the sign. I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. So I feel like this is a thought of your person. This thought might not be for you. So let's say there might be a competition, no? you might be competing with your person's attention at this very moment in time. Uh, oh wow, medyo masakit, medyo awakening, no, itong reading na ito. But let's see the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, uh, Pisces, Scorpio, might be Virgo, no? Leo, Capricorn, Cancer, Libra, no? Uh, Sagittarius is very dominant, no? As well as Pisces or water placements. So this is your reading, Virgo. Again, no? Nagmamakaawa po ako sa inyo na pakireport. Yun nasa description box. Medyo na-stress na rin ako at hindi tayo makapag-focus. Sayang kasi yung time. I'm talking to people to take actions on that. Sometimes I also need to, instead na gumawa ng videos, I need to go out for that matter, no? Plus the fact hindi tayo masyadong nakaka-focus, sayang yung oras. If worst thing na pwedeng mangyari dito kapag nagpatuloy yun, ako na yung titigil, no? Kasi I have to save myself from putting my name and reputation in jeopardy, no? Para wala na lang siyang magamit. I need to stop and gusto ba natin mangyari yon? So please report. Again, Virgo, this is your reading. Thank you so much. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo ba'y nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At meron din po tayong mga readings dun sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Nag-live din po tayo doon. So you might wanna ask questions. You're very much welcome. Kung hindi nyo po naaabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And Virgo, all the transactions, nandun po yan sa link na nasa description box din. Yun lang po ang number na ginagamit ko, modes of payment, as well as how much per question, no? Nandun po yan. I also created a promotion of 4 questions plus 1, so you might want to take advantage of it. Nandun din po yung name to match. If it doesn't match, it's not me, no? Kung gusto nyo rin po mag-avail ng ating private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. Again, apart from the description box's information, it's no longer me. So please be vigilant. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye po, Virgo.